Good morning, class 1. We are going to start our Islamiyat lesson. Today we will read chapter number 6 and our topic is Islam. First question. Who are we? Who are we? Yes, you are right. Many of you said that we are human beings. Yes, we are human beings. But there are many religions on the world. So I am asking about the religion that who are we? We are Muslims. We are Muslims. Second question. Who is a Muslim? Who is a Muslim? A Muslim is a person who obeys Allah. A Muslim is a person who obeys Allah. What does Islam mean? What does Islam mean? Islam means to obey Allah and to follow His commands. Islam means to obey Allah and to follow His commands. Yes, we have to obey Allah and follow the commands of Allah. Whatever He tells us that this is right, this is good, this is bad, we have to follow these commands. What does Islam teach us? What does Islam teach us? Islam teaches us how to live as a good people in this world. Islam teaches us how to live as a good people in this world. Yes, we have to behave very nicely. We should be friendly. We should help others and obey our parents, and we should respect our elders. Fifth question. How can we obey Allah? How can we obey Allah? We can obey Allah by following the teachings of Islam. We can obey Allah by following the teachings of Islam. Yes, there are many teachings of Islam, but the main we have the 5 pillars, and we have to perform our prayer. We have to say dua. We have to respect elders, and especially you have to follow your parents. Whatever they are saying, you have to obey your parents. Now, Allah Hafiz.